In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit opening balance in Zoho Books. If you need to update the starting balance for an account in Zoho Books, this process is very simple once you know where to look. Opening balances are important because they help make sure your books begin with the correct financial information. So taking a moment to review and edit them carefully can help keep your records accurate. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a quick look around so you can get oriented. Most of the settings and account-related options are organized in a way that makes them easy to access once you know the correct menu. From there, go to the gear icon. This is usually where Zoho Books places the main settings and administrative options. Click on the gear icon to open the settings area. If you're new to the platform, this section is worth getting familiar with because many important bookkeeping preferences and configurations are managed here. After the settings menu opens, click on Opening Balances. This will take you to the section where your current opening balance information is stored. Here you can review the balances that were entered when the books were first set up, or any balances that need to be adjusted later for accuracy. Next, click Edit. This opens the editable view, allowing you to make changes directly to the opening balance details. Once you're in this screen, this is where you can edit your opening balance. Take your time and review the values carefully before making any adjustments. Even a small change can affect how your reports appear, so it's a good idea to be precise. As you work in this section, feel free to explore and edit as needed. Look through the available fields and make sure the information matches the financial starting point you want reflected in your books. If you're updating balances from previous records, double-check the figures before moving on so everything remains consistent. That's all there is to it. You open your Zoho Books account, click the gear icon, go to Opening Balances, select Edit, and then make your changes. It's a quick process, but it plays an important role in keeping your accounting records clean and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently edit opening balances in Zoho Books.